Okay, this is part 7 of my video series on Mount Meru, the magnetic lodestone mountain, Avalon, Atlantis, Shambhala, and from Norse mythology, Yggdrasil. Okay. Now, what I'm presenting here, what I've presented in my previous videos, is that the Mercator map showing the North Pole. There's a magnetic rock which I believe is Mount Meru. Okay, so anyway, I want to show you this map again. And after being studying all these maps again and again and again, I think I've worked out what's going on. Okay, so take note of these mountain ranges here in a ring. Okay, so it looks like there's about 1, 2, 3, about 4 mountain ranges according to this map, in a ring formation. Okay. Now, I've been thinking about this and studying these other maps, which I'll just quickly show you. Now, this is one of the this is Shambhala. This is notice how we've got 2 rings of mountains shown in here. And again, from Norse mythology, you've got these mountain ranges that look like they've got snow on them. Okay. Now, modern day scientists tell us that because of our climate warming up, that the ice caps are melting, and therefore that affects our sea levels, and the sea levels are going to rise. Okay, so last I heard it was going to rise by, who knows, 10 meters if it keeps melting. Now, having thought about this, the opposite is also true. When a mini ice age happens, that in theory, if you apply the same logic, that the sea levels will reduce. Okay, so if we apply that logic to this map from the 1500s, let's assume that this landmass here is, let's say for argument's sake, 10 meters underneath the water. Okay. Now, if sea level's rising, fine, that's underwater, we can't see it. But an ice age comes along, sea levels shrink, and this magically reveals itself again. Okay, and then as the climate warms up again, you may only see half of the mountain ranges, and it would appear that you would have rings between these mountain ranges here. Now, I wanted to see if my theory fitted the timeline for the most recent little ice age. And if you look here, it was from about 1350 to about 1850. Now, this map was, as far as I know, produced in around about the early 1500s, and was apparently sourced from older maps from around about the 1300s. So the timeline fits. An ice age, a mini ice age, kicks in, sea levels reduce, and this landmass reveals itself. And then as it warms up again, it gradually recedes underneath the water, and then you're seeing rings generated by these mountain ranges here. Okay, so depending on the level of the ocean, you're either going to see 3 rings, 2 rings, depending on the height of the mountains. It seems to fit, seems to make sense. So, to put it on record, I believe Atlantis will reveal itself when the next mini ice age happens. Time will tell, and we'll find out.